Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So this is the last day of our vacation. One day before school start. Tomorrow I will have real students coming here. All the preparation is done. You never prepare enough. So I was thinking maybe I should just get myself a little bit pretty up, get myself something new as preparing for my back to school. So I went to the Marshall, bought this one, and it costs nothing. $7, $7.99, let's say $8, and plus tax, something like $9. I am happy with it. And so here is a little bit about design study. So, why can't I open it? Can't it? Okay. So here's a little bit about design study, and I want to buy something that is. I like this color. It's a little bit too shiny than what I want, but among all the designs, this is the only thing that is kind of still colorful and a little bit nuanced. Otherwise, there will be pastel color or completely bright color. And I wear this a lot right now, and I start to figure out there is something. Let me see, I have this one. Something that is very important. This is, this is broken. So this one is very small. If you have a ponytail, that is good. But if you tie your hair, this is just too small. And this one is also does not contain a lot of hair. And this one is good enough. You see, it can take a lot of hair, and the teeth is large and long enough. And one of the very important thing is about the usability of this is that it's not too heavy. I do not know who make these kind of designs. Some of the design are pretty, extremely pretty. I have one that is very pretty, and with bees on it and the metal frame, and it's stunningly beautiful and pretty. But there is a problem of those things. They are heavy. When you wear this kind of hair tie, hair band, a lot of time you want it just light, and do not put weight, do not put heavy load on your head. Do I make any sense? If you use it, I think you can understand it. Those pretty ones for a party, for a dinner out, for something, a big event, you put it on because the whole day you are not really moving that much. It's the event is bigger than you, and they are heavy. But for everyday use, these kind of things are very, very good. They are lightweight, comfortable, easy to tie. Let me try it. Oh, that's just perfect. Easy to tie. You can make it light. You can make it tight, you can make it a little bit loose, and you almost feel nothing because it's so light. Oh, I love it. I love it. First, this is designed by people who use it. A lot of pretty design was designed by people who think only about the aesthetic, only think about the appearance, think about the presentation, and not thinking very much about the usability, the application of it. I think this design really think about it. And this part is not too big. And a lot of time when you use this kind of hairband, this banding is too big. And when you take off clothes and put on clothes, it becomes a big obstacle. But this one seems relatively small and yeah, just good. And the color is, there can be more colors to put it in, but it gives me the chance to buy different color. Oh, there are still small tools here, small teeth here to absorb, to get the extra hair not moving around. This is really a very smart design. This is such a smart design, unbelievably smart design. Just from a small hairpin we can, or hairband, hair clip, hair claw, we can see so much. And the problem is that sometimes this got broken. The teeth can be broken. It's part of the game. If you want it to be strong, you use metal one, and it's heavy, you feel suffer. And the good advantage of this material, this plastic, is light. And the disadvantage of it is that it can be broken. Yeah, I have a couple of these that have 1 or 2 teeth broken. You can still use it, but it's less pretty, and the functionality does not change that much. And actually, I think that is one of its advantage, right? You do not want to have one thing for the rest of your life. You do want to have something fun, something interesting, some different design. And without you intentionally breaking it up, it just from time to time it breaks up. There is a natural lifespan of it, which is acceptable. Each of it around $3, $2. I can afford it. Yeah. This is a good one. I love it. I love it. Bye bye, friends. Okay. Here is a little bit about looser unboxing. I got one friend very passionately talking about looser unboxing and said, I hope you are not self-deprecating too much, and you are not a loser. No, loser unboxing is nothing about me. I lose money, so this is not sponsored. So recently or nowadays, the loser unboxing is already a coined term. It's already a term that a lot of people, many friends accept and understand it. So loser unboxing means it is not sponsored, and it's good product that deserve that I spend money for. That's it. I love loser unboxing. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Go bye bye.